Hi dear students, get ready for today's science class. Students, this is a picture of a frog. You may have even seen frogs hopping around and making loud croaking sounds. Have you ever wondered what frogs look like when they are young? Do you think they look like small frogs or are they different? Students, we are doing block 7 life cycle of animals and today we will learn about the life cycle of a frog. Now students, please open your content book of science. Lesson 2 life cycle of a frog. First is egg. A frog lays lots of eggs. Each egg has a jelly like covering. The embryo in the egg develops into a tadpole that hatches out of the egg. Clear students? जो फ्रॉग्स होते हैं वो बहुत सारे एग्स ले करते हैं और उनके एग्स के बाहर एक जेली टाइप की जेली लाइक कवरिंग होती है और ये जो एग जब द एम्ब्रियो इन द एग डेवलप्स इनटू अ टैडपोल, जब ये टैडपोल बन जाते हैं तो ये एग से बाहर आ जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ यंग. A tadpole lives in water. It does not look like the adult. It has a tail and breathes through its gills. A tadpole first grows hind legs, जो पीछे की legs होती हैं, and then forelegs. It then turns into a froglet, which looks like a frog with a tail. A froglet lives on land and breathes through lungs. Clear students? Last stage is adult. Once the tail of the froglet disappears, it becomes an adult frog. So जब तक tail होती है तब तक वो क्या होता है froglet, और जब उसके पास से tail disappear हो जाती है, गायब हो जाती है, then it becomes adult frog. The transformation of a tadpole into a frog involves a complete change in its shape. This process is called metamorphosis. Amphibians like frogs have a more complicated life cycle as they undergo metamorphosis. Clear students? I hope you understand the lesson. The process is called metamorphosis. Now student, here is a picture of life cycle of a frog. First stage is egg, then embryos, and then tadpoles with legs, then froglet. Froglet has tail, and when tail disappear it becomes adult frog, and then adult frog again lay eggs, and this process repeats. Clear students? Now students, here are some questions based on your lesson. Question is, how are baby frogs born? Next one is, how are they able to live after they are born? Third one is, can you name the different stages in the life cycle of a frog? And fourth one is, what does a tadpole eat and what does a frog eat? Let's discuss the answer. Baby frogs hatch from eggs laid by adult frogs in rivers, streams and ponds. As you can, the eggs in ponds, they do not need any care from their parents and are able to move and eat on their own soon after birth. So ये जो बेबी फ्रॉग्स होते हैं उनको अपने पेरेंट्स की केयर नहीं होती, अपने पेरेंट्स की केयर की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. They are able to move and eat on their own after birth. Next one is, the stages of a frog are egg, tadpole, froglet and fully grown frog are the various stages in the life cycle of a frog. Clear students? Next one is tadpoles. Tadpoles eat plants and mosses growing in the water. मोजेस होता है काई जो होती है ना, ग्रीन कलर की काई जम जाती है हर जगह जब वाटर गंदा होने लगता है, दैट इज़ मोजेस. एंड फ्रॉग्स ईट इंसेक्ट्स. I hope you understand the answers. Now students, tell me, why is the term life cycle used to describe the development of a frog? Now we will discuss some important facts about this lesson. A frog hatches out of an egg and develops into an adult who can lay own eggs. You can see frog lay eggs, and after that eggs turn into adult frog, and adult frog again lay eggs, thus restarting the process by which it was born. As this process repeats, it is called a life cycle. Clear, students? A tadpole and a frog look very different from each other. This complete change in the way a tadpole looks when it is an adult is called metamorphosis. Clear, students? I hope you understand that. So moving to our next step, what's question? Question is, wastewater from factories is often released into streams and rivers. Can poisonous substance contained in wastewater affect the life of frogs? How? If the life cycle of frogs is affected, why is that important for humans? Let's discuss the answer. Some poisonous substance can make tadpoles slow in their movements. This makes them an easy prey for fish. So अगर उनकी मूवमेंट स्लो हो जाएगी तो फिश उनको ईट कर लेंगी. Thus, if the life cycle of frogs is affected, it means that the water has poisonous substance in it. So अगर water frogs की life cycle को affect कर रहा है, then we have to know that the water is poisoning. What is harmful for frogs can also be harmful for us. The life cycle of frogs helps scientists easily monitor the level of poisonous substance in the water. So जो साइंटिस्ट होते हैं वो फ्रॉग्स की हेल्प से ही ये पता लगाते हैं कि वाटर कितना पॉइजनस है. I hope you understand the answer. Now students, we will discuss the keywords. First one is tadpole, froglet and metamorphosis. You have to write these keywords in your notebook. Now students, please open your worksheet. Describe the stages in the life cycle of a frog. So you have to describe the stages in the life cycle of a frog. First one is egg. You have to describe the eggs. Then tadpole. Then tadpole with hind legs and frog. So you have to describe these stages. Like egg, the life cycle of a frog lays lots of eggs. Each egg has a jelly like covering. You have to describe the eggs in this way. So you have to complete this table. Next one is, what do you understand by term metamorphosis? Explain metamorphosis in frogs. So you have to describe the metamorphosis in frogs. Clear, students? Next one is, how do poisonous substance in water affect the life cycle of frogs? Students, you have to think and write your answer that how the poisonous substance in water affect the life cycle of frogs. So अगर poisonous water होगा तो frogs तो tadpoles की movement slow हो जाएगी and fish उनको eat कर लेगी. Then they will be easy prey for fishes. Clear, students? And this will affect the life cycle of frogs. Now students, you have to do question number 3. Write about the stages of the life cycle of a frog. And question number 4, why is the transformation of a tadpole into a frog called metamorphosis? Once the tail of froglet disappears, it becomes an adult frog. The transformation of a tadpole into a frog involves a complete change in its shape. This process is called metamorphosis. क्योंकि शेप चेंज हो जाती है, इसीलिए इस प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं? मेटामॉर्फोसिस. I hope you have understand your homework. You have to do practice question number 3 and practice question number 4. Thank you students for watching this video.